Welcome back to SaaS Beast Pro, the channel where we simplify tech and unlock hidden features you didn't know existed. Today we're diving into 7 secret ChatGPT features on PC nobody talks about. These underrated settings can seriously boost your privacy, control, and overall experience. Now let's get started. Number 1. Disable training for privacy. This feature lets you stop your chats from being used to improve the model, giving you more control over your data. It's a simple toggle that many users overlook, but it's key for privacy-conscious workflows. Let's do it. Step 1. Click your profile name in the bottom left corner of the ChatGPT interface and select Settings. This opens the main configuration panel. Step 2. In the Settings menu, click on Data Controls. This section manages how your data is used. Step 3. Find the Improve the Model for Everyone option and toggle the switch to the off position. This disables training on your conversations. Step 4. Click Done to save your changes. You'll see a confirmation at the top of the menu. Step 5. Note that chat history will now be off. New chats will be temporary and deleted after 30 days, while older ones remain unless manually removed. That's just the first hidden gem. And we've got 6 more that'll take your ChatGPT experience to the next level. Keep watching to unlock the rest. Number 2. Enable customization. This feature lets you shape how ChatGPT responds by setting your preferences and tone. It's a hidden gem that makes your experience feel more personal and efficient. Here's how it's done. Step 1. Click on your profile picture in the bottom left corner of the ChatGPT interface. This opens your account settings. Step 2. Select personalization from the menu. This is where you can control how ChatGPT interacts with you. Step 3. Toggle the switch next to Enable Customization to turn it on. This activates the ability to personalize your experience. Step 4. Use the Custom Instructions section to tell ChatGPT what it should know about you and how you'd like it to respond. You can adjust tone, detail level, and even preferred formats. Now that your ChatGPT is tuned to your style, let's move on to the next feature that'll make your PC experience even smarter. Number 3. Voice customization. This feature lets you personalize how ChatGPT sounds when reading responses aloud. It's a subtle but powerful way to make your experience feel more natural, expressive, or even fun, especially if you use voice playback often. Let's do it. Step 1. Open ChatGPT on your PC and head to the Settings menu by clicking your profile or the 3-dot menu. Step 2. Navigate to the Voice section under the Personalization or General Settings tab. Step 3. You'll see a list of available voices like Juniper and Snow. Click the play button beside each to preview how they sound. Step 4.
Hey there.
Once you find a voice you like, simply select it. ChatGPT will now use that voice for all spoken responses. And just like that, your AI sounds a little more like you want it to. Stick around, there's another hidden gem coming up next. Number 4. Language Auto Detect. This feature ensures ChatGPT understands and responds in your preferred language, even if it's not manually selected. It's especially useful for multilingual users or when switching between languages during a conversation. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Open ChatGPT on your PC and go to the Settings menu. Step 2. Scroll to the Language section under General or Personalization. Step 3. If your preferred language isn't listed, select Auto Detect. Step 4. ChatGPT will now automatically detect the language you're using and respond accordingly, making interactions smoother and more intuitive. Now that your language is sorted, let's move on to the next hidden gem that'll make ChatGPT even smarter. Number 5. Smart Notifications. This feature keeps you updated on ChatGPT's background tasks, shared projects, and new tools without needing to constantly check manually. It's perfect for staying productive and in the loop while multitasking on your PC. Here's how it's done. Step 1. Open ChatGPT and go to the Settings menu by clicking your profile or the gear icon. Step 2. Navigate to the Notifications section under General or Personalization. Step 3. Enable push notifications for responses that take time, like image generation or research. Step 4. Turn on alerts for task updates, so you'll know when something you've created gets modified. Step 5. Activate email or push notifications for project invitations, handy if you collaborate with others. Step 6. Lastly, switch on recommendation alerts to get notified about new tools, tips, and features as they roll out. Now that your notifications are working smarter, let's move on to a feature that'll make your workflow even smoother. Number 6. Apps connections. Connecting apps to ChatGPT unlocks powerful integrations with tools like Canva, Figma, Coursera, and more. It allows you to interact with these platforms directly inside ChatGPT for smoother, more visual workflows. All right, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Open ChatGPT on your PC and head to the Settings menu. Step 2. Click on Apps and Connectors to view available integrations. Step 3. Browse the list of supported apps like Booking.com, Canva, Coursera, Figma, and Spotify. Step 4. Select an app you want to connect and follow the prompts to authorize access. Step 5. Once connected, you can interact with the app directly inside ChatGPT Perfect for visual tasks, learning, or media control. With your favorite tools now synced, the next feature will take your productivity to a whole new level. Let's keep going. Number 7. Parental Control. This feature allows families to link accounts, giving parents the ability to set limits and guide usage. It's a smart way to ensure safe, age-appropriate interactions with ChatGPT, especially for younger users. Let's do it. Step 1. Open ChatGPT and go to the Settings menu. Step 2. Scroll down to find Parental Controls and click to open the setup options. Step 3. Choose whether you're adding a parent or a child, then enter their email or phone number. Step 4. If the person doesn't have a ChatGPT account yet, they'll be prompted to create one. Step 5. Once linked, parents can adjust features, set time limits, and add safeguards tailored to their family's needs. Step 6. You can unlink accounts anytime if you want to change or remove the setup. Thanks for watching. That wraps up our deep dive into 7 secret ChatGPT features on PC nobody talks about. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next round of smart tips and hidden tricks.